Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Anta Palestine?
I'm not Israel.
You are Israel? Are you Muslim?
No, I'm Jewish.
You're Jewish?
Yeah,
Where is your face, bro? Oh,
that's my face. I'm not like you, Muslim guy.
Muslim? Yeah, I'm Muslim, bro.
You Muslim?
Yeah.
You support in Palestine or Israel?
What do you think? Do I look like support Israel or Palestine?
I don't know. You know, the world is crazy.
Yeah, the world is crazy right now. What do you think about the war between Palestine and Israel right now?
It sucks, but we need to do something.
What is your planning if you become a leader like Prime Minister in Israel? You want to
don't
stop
know.
this war?
No.
You want to take
We
the
need to
land, all Palestinian land?
Yeah.
Why?
Because there are people, crazy people, not want peace with Israel, not peace anybody.
Wait,
Yeah.
bro. I think you are wrong about Palestinian.
No, I don't know. You stay in Japan, okay? I live in Middle East. I know what is going in.
But I know the media controlled by Israelis. You make occupation, bro. I know the news, bro.
It's not true.
It's true. I know the news.
Okay. It's not
I
true.
have family,
You-
bro, in
you-
Jerusalem.
You look what the Hamas doing in 7 October?
What do you think right now, bro? In the Rafah?
You listen to me, or you want to something to you understand?
Understand?
You need
but
to
I but I don't
you need
want
to
to
listen.
hear. I
you
want.
need to listen.
Yeah, but I
and
don't
learn.
need to listen your fucking story, bro. It's bullshit. You know the news
We want peace.
in the Instagram. You know, yeah. Palestinian also want to peace, bro.
No,
Kau ni apa?
no Palestinian. You understand?
What do you mean not Palestinian,
want,
bro?
Only Israel want peace.
If you
The
want
people
to
in Gaza,
peace,
not-
wait. If you want only peace, why you still innocent people kill women, bro?
No.
In the Rafah right now.
You listen what I say to you.
Bro, talk slowly,
Yeah.
bro. Don't panic, okay? Talk slowly.
No.
Be normal, relax, okay? Don't panic, okay? Don't panic. Okay, explain what do you
Okay.
have?
In 7
Deg-degan
October,
dia. What?
in 7 October, you know,
I know in the 7th October.
look what the Hamas people doing in Israel.
I know in the Sabah, right?
Women, children,
Ningil lagi jari cintai.
all the people in the party.
Phil bilang dia itu ini. Wait a minute, are you real Israeli? You was born in Israel?
Yeah.
You know your grandfather or your grandmother before you live? Your family before?
You
Where?
live in Morocco.
Morocco, right? You are immigrant, bro, berarti.
Yeah.
You are immigrant, right?
Yeah. But
Yeah, it's
also
so Palestinian land.
No. Also, I'm Jewish. Israeli or the Jewish people.
Bro, it doesn't matter you are Jewish or Christian or Muslim. You are immigrant.
Yeah.
100% you are immigrant, bro. You don't have access about the Palestinian land. You don't have access to become Palestinian.
You know what's the war with United States with
Dia kok
Japanese?
gagap gitu ya.
You know?
I know.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah. It
Because
doesn't
the
matter,
parallel
bro.
wall?
It doesn't matter,
No,
bro.
it's not a matter.
Orang dia ngobrolnya kayak gagap gitu, takut gitu. You know what I mean?
No.
You know before 1948, before 7 October, you know the story?
Yeah.
You know the truth?
No.
So why you told me about the 7 October, bro? If you don't know about story before 7 October, before 1948?
1914.
Yeah, 1948.
Yeah.
You know the story?
Yeah.
You must read-
I know
you-
what story.
No, you say first you don't know about the story. You must first know about the story, your story, about your story before 1948 and after 1948. So you can
Yeah, I know.
talk about 7 October. You can talk right now, situation right now. If you
No,
don't know,
the
don't talk about
situation-
7 October, bro.
No, the situation not because the 1419. Not
You must
because that.
Yeah, you must read the book first, or you must check on your internet, bro, about story before 1948 or before 7 October. Your
You need
occupation.
to write. You need to write.
You need to check your history, okay?
I know my history. You
Nah
don't
ini
know.
akhirnya Ella sama Kak Fani ketemu lagi kan. Kemarin kan ceweknya Kak Fani sama Ella biasanya, terus Kak Siti, Haza sama Berandi.
Have a good time.
Have a good day, bro. Be safe, bro. Don't die, okay? Don't be stupid. Bye. Kalimantan gak sih? Ingatku Kalimantan gak ya?
I didn't understand anything, bro.
Where are you from, bro?
Palestine.
Anta Palestinian?
Yeah.
Anta Muslim?
Alhamdulillah.
An Rabbuka, if you Muslim.
Allah.
Man Nabiyuka.
Muhammad.
Free Palestine, bro. Free Palestine, bro.
Thank you
Habibi,
so much.
bro. Habibi, bro. I'm from Indonesia, bro.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, it's so nice. Goodbye, bro.
Have a
Dia ngelek-ngelek, guys.